Students, welcome once again to the Owl Academy of Education in our series of ICSE class 8 Maths Chapter 2 Exponent and Powers exercise is 2A. Book is again your Foundation Mathematics by R.S. Agarwal, right? Today we are going to solve question number 13 in your book. Question number 1 to 12 have already been explained in our previous videos, so watch them carefully. Today we are going to start here with the last part of exercise 2A, that is question number 13 to 16. Right, so question number 13 is this: a raised to power this we have to solve this. So here is the solution. So question is given here. I am going to start the right from the next step. So in this question here, powers of a is power of a is a raised to power 2 whole power 3n plus 2. So we will multiply this by this and this by this. So a raised to power 7 plus 2n, here is dot means multiply, so I am going to multiply it. A raised to power 3 to the 6n plus 2 to the 4. Right, now upon multiply by this, a raised to power 4 to the 8, 8n plus 4 3 the 12. Now power here bases are same, powers are going to add, right? This is going to add with this number and 2n is going to add with 6n, right? So 7 plus 4 is 11, 6n plus 2n is 8n, right? A raised to power 8n plus 12 is here. Now we will move this power, base is same, again we will move these powers to the above. So by going above, from denominator to numerator, they will become minus. So a raised to power 11 plus 8n is already there. This 8n is going to be minus here, and this 12 is going to be minus here, right? Plus 8 minus 8 gone. So minus 12 minus 11 12 minus 12 plus 11, a raised to power minus 1, or we can write it as if we want to change this minus into plus, we will reciprocate a. So this is your answer. So this was question number 13. Now we will move on to the next. Next is 14. Again a big question with certain parts, so we will do it here. Solution of first part are here. Here 16 upon 125 is given, so we have to curtail this 4, 1 by 4, right? We have to delete this we have to solve this 1 by 4. For that we have to make powers of these two as 4, right? So 16 we can write as 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and 625 can be written as 5 5 the 25, 5 the 125, 5 the 6 to 5. So whole raised to power is 4 equal to, so this has become 2 raised to power 4 upon 5 raised to power 4, 4 raised to power 1 upon 4, or I can write this 2 raised to power 2 upon 5 raised to power 4 multiplied 1 upon 4. This got cancelled. So your answer is 2 upon 5. Now we will move on to the question number part number second of question 14. So here again 4 is the denominator of the power. We will change these into the so we can write 81 as 3 multiplied 3 3 ja 9 3 ja 27 3 ja 81 and 16 as 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16. So this is my, so now what would we become? So 3 raised to power 4 upon 2 raised to power 4 whole raised to power minus 1 upon 4. This got cancelled with this. This will become 3 upon 2 raised to power 4 multiplied 1 upon minus 1 upon 4. So this has become 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 1. If we want to change this into plus, we will reciprocate this. This will become 2 upon 3. Right? Now this is very good question. So we will solve it here. Solution of question number 3rd. So again here 3 is the denominator, right? 3 is the power, right? So see, 3 is the denominator. We will solve it like this. So 64. So we can write 64 as 4 into 4. We can write 64 as 4 raised to power 3 whole raised to power this 2 upon 3, right? And there is a plus sign there between them, and we will write this 125 as 5 raised to power 3. So here root and 3 is given, which means 1 upon 3. This root and 3 given here. If 3 is not given here, then it is 1 upon 2. If 3 or 4 and given here, then it will become 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 4. So next 3 raised to power 0 is 1, as I have told you earlier, and now this will become 2 raised to power minus 5, and we can write this 27 as one more thing is there that has cut, that is 25 upon 9. Here I am going to write is 25 upon 9 raised to power minus 1 upon 2 here after this is given. So this is now 27 we will write as 3 raised to power 3 whole raised to power minus 2 upon 3, and this 25 upon 9 as multiply sign is here. This is, after that we will write 5 5s are 25 and 3 3s are 9. So we can write it as 5 upon 3 raised to power 2 multiplied whole raised to power minus. So this got cancelled with 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 this, right? So what we have, 4 raised to power 2 means 4 4 just 16, 5 is alone 5, 1 is alone 5. So here one thing we can do, we can erase this and write this 2 raised to power minus 5, it bring it up and it will become positive. So this will become positive, right? So this will this is 3 raised to power minus 2 raised to power 5, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 13. This has become 32, right? So 3 3 is 9. This power is minus, so if we want to change into plus, we will reciprocate this as this. 3 3 is 9, plus this is also minus 1, so if we want to make it positive, then reciprocate it 3 upon 5, right? So add these numbers. 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22 plus 2, 22 plus 32. This has become 54 plus 1 upon 9 plus 1, 3 upon 5. So we will take LCM of it as 9 5 ja 45. So multiply 45 by 54. So if we want to multiply 45 by 54, do it in the rough work. 4 5 4 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2, 18 plus 25, 18 plus 25 is 43, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 4 24. So here after multiplying 45 is 54, you will get 2430 plus 9 5 ja 45 plus 5 9 ja 45, 9 3 ja 27. So add this. What we are going to get, 27 plus 5, 27 plus 5, 32, 32 plus 30, 62, 2462 upon 45. So this may be got 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24. No, this is, students, I have mistakenly written this as plus. So it is not plus, it is multiply here. So now the whole scenario has changed. This will not happen now, as we have to do it again, right? So yes, this, if multiplication is there, then we will follow Bodmer's rule. Multiplication we will do first. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, right? So it has now become 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 32 plus 1 upon 15, right? So 16, this is again 54 plus 1 upon 15. So now you can write it as 54 is its whole part and this is fractional part. It is a mixed fraction, so your answer is going to this, right? Do it carefully. Now I am going to rub this and do the next part. So I am going to rub these to make some space, and do the next part of these questions here, right? I will try with big eraser. So now question part is part fourth is this. Now solution part fourth. So 81 you can write it as 3 raised to power 4, as we have done earlier. In this case, raised to power minus 1 multiplied 3 raised to power minus 5 multiplied 3 raised to power 9. Now 64 we can write it as 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 6 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 2 ja 64. So 2 raised to power 6 upon 5 upon 6, and this multiplied. So again we can write this power of root as 3 raised to power 1 upon 3, and whole raised to power 6 is there. Now we can move ahead with this question. So the base same, this got cancelled with this, and 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6, this is 3 2 ja 6. Now these bases are same, so base of this is also same, 3 raised to power 2. So what we are going to do here is 3 raised to power, this is minus 4, and this is raised to power minus 5, and this is raised to power 9, and this has become 2 raised to power 5, and this has 3 raised to power 2. So I am going to add these plus minus 5 plus 9. I will put it in bracket into 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 2. So this will become minus 4 minus 5 plus 9 into 2 raised to power 5 3 raised to power 2. 5 plus 4 9, so these all got cancelled here. So it will become 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 into 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 5 is 32, as we have done earlier, and 3 3 is 9, so our answer would be 288. 9 2 is 8, 9 3 is 27 plus 1 228. Right students, so this is fourth. Now we will move on to the last part of it, that is this. So how solution 5, right? 5 is written like this: y raised to power 3 upon x multiplied y upon x, right? So we can write again y raised to power 3 as 1 raised to power 2, 1 upon 2, and this is also upon root x, so root x can be written as x raised to power 1 upon 2, and y can also be written as y raised to power 1 upon 2, root is also over x, so x raised to power 1 upon 2. So now question is solved. 3 multiplied by 1 by 2, it will become 3 upon 2, and into y raised to power 1 upon 2, and these powers are same, x raised to power 1 upon 2. So base are same, so it would become y raised to power 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, and x raised to power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, right? So I will make some space and rub this. So this has also rubbed, right students? Now I am going to do it here. Now this y, this is 3 upon 2, not 1 upon 2. So this will become y raised to power 2 LCM 3 plus 1 and x raised to power 2 LCM 1 plus 1, right? So y raised to power 4 upon 2, x raised to power 2 upon 2. This is 1, 2 to the 4. So y raised to power 2 upon x. This is your answer. So question 14 is also solved. Now we will move on to the next, that is question 15. Oh my god, it has also, question 15 has also 2 parts. Big exercise. It's going to be question solution first of this. So base is same, base is same also here. We have to find out value of x. Base is same, so we can neglect here, it has to be divided. So this will cut down with this will also not cut down. Base is same, so we can left the base, take the powers. So here when bases are same, then what is going to write here, because base are the same, therefore we can write it as x plus 5. We can take only powers, x plus 5. So this this is minus, if we are going to reciprocate this, then this will change into plus, right? Plus 2x and 3 will become minus 3. So here it will, this is multiplication, so no doubt, no problem. 2x minus 5 we can write it, and divide this, multiply this by this, so then it would become, while doing multiplication power are added, so this will become minus 2x and 4 to the 8. This will become minus 2x minus 8. So x is added with x, so it will become 3x plus 5 minus 3, 2, open the bracket, 2x minus 5 minus 2x, so minus 8. So 3x plus 2 becomes 2 minus 2 plus got cancelled, minus 8 plus 5 minus 13. So 3x equal to minus 13 minus 2 minus plus 3x equal to minus 15. So 3x is minus 15, so x equal to minus 15 upon 3 equal to minus 5. So this is your final answer, minus 5, right? Now I am going to rub this again for making some space for part second of question 15, solution second, right? So this is power of this, this is power of this, this is power of this, so all these are going to be multiplied. So here base is same, here base is same, so we can neglect the base, take the powers. So it would become 2 powers into 4 into x plus 2 equal to minus 2 multiplied by this power multiplied by minus 3, right? So 2 4s are 8, so this has become 8 x plus 2, so this has become minus 2x plus 1, minus minus plus, no sorry, 2 plus 2, 2 1 ja 2. I am going to write it as 2 plus 2, so this is going to multiply with this. So 8x plus 16 equal to minus minus plus 6x minus 6. So we have to change the side of x. This here it is positive, this side it will become negative, and when this turns to this side, this would also become negative. So 8 minus 6, that is 2x equal to minus minus plus 6 plus 16 minus 22. So x would be minus 22 upon 2, this would become minus 11. Right students, so this was your question number 15. So 15th question has been solved. Now we will move on to the next and last question. At last we have reached the last question. So many questions are there for your practice, right? Now question 16, solution of part first. So these are powers inside the, and if we, this will be multiplied by this, so what would it become? This will become 2 raised to power 2p raised to power minus 1, q raised to power 2, r raised to power r, and this 3 2 ja 6, it would become minus 6 whole power. So now what would we do? So this minus 6, this power 6 of whole means this is the power of all these, means this is also power of 2 raised to 2 raised to power minus 6. This is also raised to power of minus minus plus, this is also power of 6, so this is 6 1 ja 6 minus minus plus, and q raised to power 6 2 ja 12 minus 12, right, and r raised to power 6 1 ja 6, right? Now what would you do? This is minus 6, we have to change this into plus, so we will take it below, make it reciprocate this, it would become plus. This is p raised to power 6, no problem. This has also to be reciprocated to make it positive, and this has also to be reciprocated to make it positive. So what would this become? P raised to power 6 upon 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 6 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 2 ja 32 ja 64 multiplied q raised to power 12 and r raised to power 6. So this is your question solved. Part first solved. Here I am going to solve part second, right? So part second and last part of this exercise. So here students, there is sign of division. Sign of division. So what this means, we have to divide this. First we have to solve this, right? So see, if we want to make it simple, here p, here is p, here is also p, that means base is the same, that means we will reciprocate this to make it positive, right? So what would it become? It would become like this, 3p raised to power 2 plus 1. It would become plus here, right? So q, if we so q, and this I will take this q above also. Here is q raised to power 1, and it will become q raised to power 1 minus 3, right? R is only upon, here only 2 has left because these 3 are reciprocated and gone above. Now we are going to solve this. 2pq, here no problem, I can write 2pq r minus 1. Now what it had become, this is whole square, that means this is power this. Now it has become 3p raised to power 2 plus 1 3, q raised to power 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 1 2, and r raised to power minus 2 upon 2, and this whole raised to power 2 divided, we can write it as so we can write, if we want to do this, if we want to here write it as 2 raised to power minus 1 p raised to power 3 1 ja 3 minus 3 r raised to power 1 into 1 minus 1 also, right? Now this is power of all this, so this would become what? 3 3 ja 9, 9 p 3 3 ja 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6, 6 q raised to power 2 2 ja 4 minus 4, r raised to power 2 2 ja minus 4, right? And this is also power of 2, and it would become 2 to the 4. Right? So if I am to change this, divide with this, then it would become multiplied 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 1 and p raised to power minus 3 r raised to power minus 1. Right, so now what we are going to do here, now this would become, space is less, so I am going to rub this and do this here. So this 9p, so this is p, this is also p, it is minus, it will go above and become plus. 9p equal to 9p raised to power 6 plus 3. Q is not there, not here, so it will written as it is, and r is minus 4 here, and this will become plus upon 4 multiplied, this 2 is of minus, we will write it here to make it positive, right, into 2. So now students, this will cut down with this 2, and it would become 9p raised to power 9 q raised to power minus 4, sorry, r raised to power minus 3, right, upon 2. So if we 9p raised to power 9, if we want to make all these positive, to bring down them, 2 raised to power q raised to power 4 r raised to power this one. So this is your final answer. So students, this was all your exercise to be, all questions have been fully explained. It was quite big exercise, so if you have understood them well, then please make more and more likes and subscription. We will meet in the next video with some new exercise. Till then, practice it, revise it. It is difficult, but it will become easy if you do more and more practice and revision, right? So it's goodbye now. We will meet in the next video with some new exercise. Goodbye.